Hi, Pat here. I have a Poneer SA-800 stereo amplifier. This thing was made in 1972 and is rated at 26 watts per channel. I just finished recapping this thing. Thought I'd give it a once over. These knobs here, they're not original. They had knobs on it like this. All the plastic chrome covers are off. And they're cheap plastic knobs. These are nice aluminum knobs. Let's take a look at this thing. Here you notice the bass. It'll go down 9 dB and up 12 dB. And the treble is just the opposite. It goes down 12 dB and up 9. And I also have a switch here for moving magnet or moving coil. Take a look at the back here. And let's see, the phono inputs. I got one for magnetic, ceramic, or moving coil, moving magnet. These speaker connections here, they weren't original. They had some funky plug which I didn't have, so I took out and I installed these. And right there, it'll separate the preamp to the main amp, just a throw of a switch. Here's the top side of the stereo. It's the amp board right here. I place all the electrolytics in here. Use niche cons all the way through. The control amp for your tones. And down here, a little light on these things. It's the strangest looking tone controls I've ever seen. And two big filter caps. And you see the old one was 50 volts 4700. I went to 63 volts 5600. And that cap there is for the power supply. Look at the back side here. And that's the power supply. I added that heat sink. I changed the power transistor there. Had some funky little heat sink on there, so I put something a little bit bigger on there. That there is the filter board. Up a little higher here, that's they call it the head amp. It's for the phonograph. And that's the protection board. This amp do have a lot of covers on for shielding. There's one there. There's one down there, one there, another one over there. Slow one over there going over the tone controls. And this one will go right there. I got it all back together now. Got it hooked up to my test equipment. Got my dummy loads back there. A couple meters reading AC. And right here, I got my function generator set at 1 kilohertz with 230 millivolts going in. And turn it on. And I'm going to start turning the power up all the way. There it starts clipping. Right there it clips. So I got 17 volts on the AC voltmeters. It tells me it's about 36 watts. Switch over to square wave. And the square wave looks nice. Nice square wave. Play with the bass a little bit. It's the bass all the way down. It's the bass all the way up. Use the treble all the way down. And the treble all the way up. And the loudness on, loudness off. It's about everything I expected. Now I'm running a sweep. I'm running from 20 Hertz to 2000 Hertz. And the sine wave looks good all the way through. And it's holding solid on both sides all the way through. Nice and even. I got hooked up some speakers now. And up there I got a turntable. And a cassette deck. And I got a tuner over there. It's on tape right now. Switch over and try the tuner. And switch over to phono. I gotta set the moving magnet. And everything came out quite well. Thanks for watching the video.